Hi guys! This is Doc Rolly. I-share ko naman po sa inyo ang ginanap na Philippine College of Surgeons Southern Tagalog Chapter Handover and Master of the Knife Awarding Ceremony sa Esplendido, Tagaytay.
Regents Dr. Domingo Bongala and Dr. Maririca Lumagama, Chair of the Board of Governors, Dr. Benedicto Hoson Jr., and forever Executive Secretary of the chapter, Ma'am Annette De Leon. Of course, Dr. Jasmine Andaman, our chapter president, Dr. Ronan Inso, our incoming chapter president, the older Inso, Dr. Ramon.
The exemplified qualities to be a clinician, an educator, a health and social advocate, a leader and manager, and an efficient communicator and researcher. To introduce this year's Master of the Knife awardee, may we call on Dr. Elizabeth Brigado.
Ladies and gentlemen, fellows and esteemed guests, it is an honor and privilege for me to introduce this year's Master of the Knife awardee on behalf of Dr. Warren Geraldo, PCS STC past president, and all of my mentors and senior partners in De La Salle University Medical Center and the LSD Surgical Group. Before I begin, actually I did a bit of research and I read in the 2012 newsletter of Incisions that I found that the concept of Master of the Knife actually began in 2005. This is during the term of Dr. Elvis Padilla, if I'm not mistaken. He, together with Dr. Dexter Aison, they proposed a program recognizing those fellows who were so dedicated and deeply involved in the activities of the PCS Southern Tagalog Chapter. And truly, when I saw the criteria for selection, our award's name came to my mind almost immediately. First, allow me to go back to his beginnings. Dr. Reyes, Sir Rolly, received his bachelor degree in medical technology at the Universities of San Tomas as a consistent academic and athletic scholar. And he finished his degree in Doctor of Medicine, also an international academic scholar at the De La Salle University College of Medicine in 1994. He also finished general surgery residency at the same institution. He's a full-time associate professor in the same college since 2006, and he would later on continue to finish his master's in health professions education with Latin honors of Magna Cum Laude at the Graduate School in the University of Santo Tomas. And I believe love has also found him there. And it was during this time that he met the love of his life. Sir Rolly is a well-rounded surgeon, both in general and laparoscopic surgery, continuously training in different workshops to enhance his learning and skills. And his professional career continued on as he was the proponent and became the Dean of the College of Medical Laboratory Sciences at the De La Salle Medical and Health Sciences Institute, creating the curriculum and instructional designs for all of their subjects. And in 2018, during his term as Dean, the college achieved a 98.68% passing rate in the medical technology licensure examination, ranking as the second top performing school nationwide and earning recognition from the PRC. Now when I asked Dr. Warren how he will describe Dr. Rolly, ang sabi niya, naku, pag si Rolly, sobrang sipag niyan, pagtrabaho. And thus, you all have witnessed his journey in PCS and the BSGS. His long list of positions and awards can attest that he's indeed consistently been active and winning in both the BCS and the PSGS. Among them including recognition as President in BCS in 2012, President in PSGS Southern Tagalog Chapter in 2013. He was awarded the most outstanding chapter president of the Philippine College of Surgeons in 2012. He was awarded the PCS Southern Tagalog Gawad Pagkilala at Pagpapahalaga of the PCS Southern Tagalog in 2013. And during his term as president of the PSGS Southern Tagalog, the chapter received the Best Chapter of the Year in 2013. He also received several presidential citations in 2007 and again in 2017. And among his inventions, he was a finalist for the Invention and Innovation Competition at the Philippine College of Surgeons in 2012 for the Reyes device, or restricting entry yielding exit system, which is a modification of the existing Heimlich valves for pneumothorax patients. But for those who know Doc Rolly, he's more than these positions, achievements, awards, and citations. He's also a good comrade, a great friend, a loyal husband, a devoted father to his children. And not only that, he can shoot his guns, he can sing in Spanish, and now an up-and-coming vlogger on YouTube. He's not only a true master of surgery, but also an inspiration to those who strive for excellence. His contributions have always set a new standard, leaving a legacy that will resonate far beyond today. By being himself, he, in the words of Dr. Bedia, has been uplifting the spirit of integrity, creating a sense of involvement, and has an undying love for our craft. Thus, Dr. Reyes is truly the mark of a true surgeon. Without further ado, please join me in celebrating the achievements of this year's Master of the Knife awardee, Dr. Rolando M. Reyes.
To present the award of the Master of the Knife to Dr. Rolando M. Reyes.
The Philippine College of Surgeons Southern Tagalog Chapter has now upon Rolando M. Reyes, MD, FPCS, FPCS, as the Master of the Knife awardee. In recognition of his exemplary and meritorious service to the chapter by demonstrating a sterling leadership, competent teaching, and outstanding performance in the field of surgery, given this 18th day of January 2025 at Esplanado Taal, Candicla, Rolando. Signed, yours truly, signed, Dr. Ronan J. Izo, Vice President, STC, Southern Tagalog.
We request Dr. Reyes' family to join stage for some pictures.
Dr. Amel Robrigado for the very kind introduction. Good afternoon, everyone. Our PCS National President, Dr. Royal De Leon, our PCS Vice President, Dr. Sinito Mendoza, our PCS Treasurer, Dr. Rodi Lupitas, our Secretary of the PCS, Dr. Bo Pablo our regents of the PCS, Dr. Dominador Bongala, my president at the PSGS when I was one of the National Board of Directors, and one of our regent, Dr. Ricardo Baguet, our president of the PCS Board of Governors, Road Body, Dr. B. Hoson, kababayan po ni Mrs. from Nueva Ecija. Governor Lucia. Our National Executive Secretary, Mamanet, our beloved Secretary Mamanet Fredino, our past President, PCS past President, Sir Dr. Ramon Inso, to our outgoing PCS Chapter President, Dr. Jas Andaman, and our current President, Dr. Ronan Inso, Chapter President, Dr. Ronan Inso, our PSGS President, Dr. Lanti, to all of the past chapter presidents of the PCS Southern Tagalog chapter, all of the current and outgoing officers, to all my colleagues, at yung mga bagong itak na fellows ng PCS Southern Tagalog chapters, sino pang hindi ko na banggit, and of course to my beloved and very supportive family, my wife, Crystal, and my kids, Alexa and Andre. Alea is having a competition right now, one of her subjects. Good afternoon again, and thank you very much for this very prestigious award. They say that this is the most prestigious award that the chapter can bestow to each fellow. When, upon knowing that I will be awarded the Master of the Night from our past President, Dr. Jas Andaman, and our past President, Michael Luengo. Malapit na ba akong kunin ni Lord? Kasi doon binibigay yung Master of the Night award. So, kidding aside, I reminisce those 20 years that I am a fellow of the Philippine College of Surgeons, doing service to our fellows, residents, interns, clerks, students, to our patients in the community, from that time vision, naalala ko natin. And the rest, I will not give details because our friend, Dr. Abel Rodriguez already mentioned. So, nakita ko mahaba yung program. So, iksinan ko na lang po yung aking sasabihin. Once again, I'd like to thank the officers, outgoing and current officers of the Philippine College of Surgeons, Southern Tagalog chapter. And also, thank you very much to our national Philippine College of Surgeons officers for gracing this occasion. And thank you once again to the support that my family is giving me. Pero na po akong problema pag-uwi mamaya. Baka ma-checkpoint ako sa matusan. Hindi. Basta, ano lang naman, nakatapong train view. Tsaka nakakabit naman dito. So, thank you very much po. Maraming salamat ng TV and everyone.
land of heroes in history, men with courage and lineage. Specialty is surgery, Batangas, Cavite, Laguna, Quezon, Mindoro. We are here to serve people and community. Be a fellow, step up to see part of the future in history. Men of vision and compassion, your specialty is surgery. Batangas, Cavite, Laguna, Quezon, Mindoro. We are here to serve people and community. We are surgeons, united we are one. We are surgeons of this chapter, together we are one. We are fellows, Southern Tagalog, in PCS we are one. We are one.
To the incoming chapter officers and board of directors headed by Dr. Ronan J. Inso, I wish you nothing but the best for 2025. We will always have your back. Kaya nga, sa ating sa STC, ang lagi nating sinasabi, we are one. Finally, congratulations to all of us for taking home the Best PCS Chapter Award for 2024. Again, thank you and good evening.
officers during Dr. Anton's term, we call on Dr. Arvin T. Dionis to receive this plaque of appreciation for his invaluable support and contribution to the projects and activities of the chapter for the year 2024 in its capacity as governor, given this meeting day in light of the life hospital. Ronan Inso to receive the Presidential Citation Award as Vice President for his valuable contribution to the advocacies of the chapter, exemplary attendance, and participation in the various chapter activities. Given this meeting date February 25 to receive the Presidential Citation Award for his invaluable contribution in the advocacies of the chapter, exemplary attendance and participation in the various chapter activities. May we call on Dr. Mark Louis Lantin to receive the Citation Award for being the Secretary of the chapter for his invaluable contribution in the advocacies of the chapter, exemplary attendance, and participation in the various chapter activities. And Dr. Crista de los Santos Belen to receive the Presidential Citation as Board of Directors of the province of the Mindanao. Jerome C. Tahin and Dr. Jonathan M. Garcia to receive the Presidential Citation Award for being the Board of Directors from Quezon. Ronald M. Cabral to receive the Presidential Citation Award for being the Board of Directors from the province of Mindoro. Dr. Sylvia Winifreda Abanco to receive the Presidential Citation Award for the Board of Directors from Batangas.
I was tasked to introduce our guest of honor and inducting officer. He is a surgical oncology and general surgery. He is a GS at the Paulino J. Garcia Memorial Research and Medical Center. He is a surgical oncology press at the Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center, past president, Philippine Society of General Surgeons, 2014. He is a board of trustees, Surgical Oncology Society of the Philippines and Philippine Board of Surgical Oncology. Fellow, American College of Surgeons, a Society of Surgical Oncology, USA. Chairman, Department of Surgery, Mindanao Consortium on Surgical Training and Capital University Medical Center. And currently, the Chief of Clinics. Program Director, Mindanao Academy of Surgical Oncology Fellowship Program. And the President of the PCS 2025. Without further ado, let me introduce to you our guest of honor, Dr. Jose Roel C. Bilion.
I, of having been duly elected to the position of of the PCS Southern Tagalog Chapter, to PCS past President Dr. Moninso, the chapter president, the better Inso, the immediate past president Dr. Jasmine A. Andaman Garcia, to the rest of the officers of the PCS Southern Tagalog Chapter, to my fellow regents, our Vice President, Dr. Joel Mendoza, our Treasurer, Dr. Robbie Duquitas, our Secretary, Dr. Bob Campo, and our two regents with me, Dr. Radika Lumaki and Dr. Dino Bongalo, and the Chairman of the Board of Governors, Dr. Bin Hosa. To all the past presidents of the Southern Tagalog Chapter, to all the fellows, other members and guests, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. You know, it's always good to be back in a chapter that, you know, probably represent what we desire for all the, now 13, for all the 13 chapters of the Philippines to be. We were just in Bicol a week ago. And my message to the chapter is to enliven and buhayin yung chapter. And I will not be hiding this to you, that many of the chapters of the PCS actually medyo not as lively as the Southern Tagalog Chapter. So, the very first meeting that I've had as the president is to meet all the chapter presidents. And I've been very candid to all the chapter presidents, telling them that for us to have a stronger college, we have to start in the chapter. If the family is the basic society is the basic component of a society, the basic component of the college is the chapter. Nasa chapter po ang totoong melting pot ng lahat ng specialty. We probably will not have the problem, you know, we have a lot of problems in the national in terms of our different subspecialties and specialties. But if all the chapters are probably like Southern Tagalog, sa tingin ko po wala tayong masyadong problema. Because, you know, as you can see, in the chapter, we see each other as surgeons. Di ba? Pag magkakasama tayo na nito, we don't see one as ortho, we don't see one as GS, we don't see one as thoracic, neurosurgery. We're just surgeons of the Southern Tagalog Chapter. And we feel that, together with the Board of Regents, one of the trusts that we will have this year is truly to strengthen all the chapters of the Philippine College of Surgeons. And probably, we will have some kind of summit workshop for all the chapter presidents. And I will be specifically asking the president, probably of Southern Tagalog, Metro Manila, and one more, to give their best, to share their best practices to the different chapters. We want you to inspire the other chapters on how you do things here in Southern Tagalog. So, that's why naninibago ako kasi doon nga, ang nakaplanong speech ko is kung paano bubuhayin ang chapter. Pero dito hindi eh. Diba? Hindi nyo kailangan buhayin yung chapter. Buhay ang chapter ng Southern Tagalog. And we owe it to those who started this chapter. I was just looking at your history. And you are almost 50 years old as a chapter. I think in 3 years' time, you will be celebrating your golden anniversary as a chapter. And that is quite a milestone. Diba? Hindi nyo alam yun. You were officially, in the annals of the college, you were established 1978. Okay? So, you are already 47 years old now. Mag-50 kayo in 3 years time. 2028, you are 50 years old. And as I was looking, the first chapter president nyo, 1970, Dr. Cipriano Abilido, and the one who inducted him is Dr. Crescencio Aves, the chapter president in 1978. And one of them is the one who we gave honor tonight, my very good friend, Dr. Monching Magnaye. Let me allow me to nalumiko ng konti and say something about Monching. Monching is a good friend. Pagka-convention, madalas kami nakikita magkasama. And Monching told me once, na pag-usapan namin, parang sabi niya, magsasama tayo sa board of managers. And it so happened, umuna sa PSGS muna lang magkasama. Then, Monching moved on to the college. Pero may isa pang kaming dalawa ni Monching. If you remember this Dr. Inso, when you were the president ng PSGS, ka-raffle. Diba nanalo ako ng kotse? Yung raffle kasi noon, Campiolo, kuha ng number, diba? Kuha ng number. Wala, siguro after tatlong bunot, wala, puro wala. Sabi ni Monching, ako bumunot! Monching, so daw bumunot. Pag bunot ni Monching, nakuha niya yung number ko. Pagkatapos ko pumanalo, basta si Monching, punta kami dalawa sa ano. Si Monching, unang sumakay. Nung the next day, kinuha, di ba? Kasi nandun, nakapark sa ilalim ng Mall of Asia, so immediately kinuha. Punta kami dalawa sa Hooters. Hooters sa may Mall of Asia. So, kami dalawa, si Monching is the first one to sinama ko, sinakay ko doon sa kotse na ako ng presidente si Dr. Monching. It's an Altis 1.6 high-end. And the last time that we were together was nung na-award. Sabi niya sa akin, yun nga, dito siya, pero pumunta pa rin siya sa EUD to get the award for Back MC. Yung Star Awards ng Department of Health for all hospitals. And I was there to get all the awards that the province of Bukidnon was able to get. So that was the last time talaga nag-usap kami na medyo matagal-tagal yung Monching. But as I've said, Monching is a very good friend. And I was telling the other regents a while ago that if Monching is here, parang siya ang may party. Ano yan buhay ng gathering. In any masaya, lumilipat-lipat ng table, parang kinasawit, di ba? Lahat ng table, isa-isahin ni Monching. And a friend of everyone. So, Monching is really missed. We miss Monching. So, let me go back to what this will be very short. I don't speak long. I don't prepare a speech actually. I honestly feel that I really want the regions to be exposed to what's going on in the chapter. Let's just say that in future leaders natin. Early on, I really want them to feel the chapter, not just Manila, not just their own chapter, but also the other chapters of the country. And I think we will be able to summarize kung ano yung gagawin natin with 3 hashtags. And these hashtags we will see in most of the posts in the coming years. There are 3 hashtags that I want to emphasize to you tonight. First, hashtag quality surgery for all. Yung lahat ng programs na ginagawa natin is towards assuring that we will be able to give quality surgery for all Filipinos. For all, lahat. So lahat yan, from the subspecialties to the affiliate, that is what we want. And the affiliate societies. This is one of the 3 things that we want to really look into this year, is to the rationalization of the different specialties. We would want to see everybody in one round table, meaning we treat everybody the same, equally. Whether you are as small as the PACRAS and as big as the PSGS, the college will look at them equally. So we will be assuring that we give the same attention to all the surgical subspecialties and affiliates. Secondly, last night we had a meeting with all the chapter presidents, and this brings me to the next hashtag, which is one PCS. So one PCS because we really want to bring in all, when we say all, lahat ng nag-oopera, lahat ng maninistis, PPGH maninistis, lahat ng surgeon sa buong bansa under the umbrella of the Philippine College of Surgeons. One PCS. Why? Because we can only be strong if we have the number. The college have already transitioned from being just a mere clinical organization. Ibig sabihin, before, what is the focus of the college? Training, di ba? Continuing education, di ba? Accreditation. Those three things now are given to the subspecialties. Yun. Training, accreditation, and continuing surgical education of your specialty now belongs to the subspecialty. What the college needs to focus on, we believe, is member benefit. Okay? What we can do for the fellows. Represent each and every fellow of the country or member of the PCS in all affairs of government, in PHIC, in HMO, anything that concerns us. So therefore, to be able to do this, we have to have that number. That's why we ask the three subspecialties who wants to quote-unquote separate from us to stay on, because you get all the benefits of being part of the bigger body while at the same time maintaining your autonomy. Diba? I don't see any benefit of a subspecialty separating from us and doing things on their own. Especially, hindi naman natin na pinapakialaman ang training, accreditation, and continuing education. While, if we are together, if we are strong in number, mas pakikinggan tayo ng mga governing bodies and other organizations like HMO, if we are strong in number.
Thank you, Dr. De Leon. So this plaque of appreciation is awarded to Jose Ruel C. De Leon, given this 18th day of January 2025 at Splendito Taal Country Club, Dorel. Signed by Dr. Roland Chris J. Gusto, the President of the PCSSTC 2025.
Pledge myself to abide by
institution. He has completed his general surgery residency training at the University of the Philippines, Philippine General Hospital in 2012, and has then become a diplomate of the Philippine Board of Surgery and a fellow of the Philippine Society of General Surgeons, Philippine College of Surgeons, and Philippine Association of Laparoscopic and Endoscopic Surgeons. His further training also includes a Master's in Hospital Administration in 2017. There's no question on how competitive he is as a surgeon, as he even bagged the overall championship of the PSGS First Surgical Strokes Challenge as a fifth-year resident. But what impressed me and my batchmates more was that he was a very considerate senior, and even during stressful situations, he will not lash out on us, but will just President of the PCS Southern Tagalog Chapter, Dr. Roman Chris.
Good evening, everyone. Magandang gabi po to our PCS National President, Dr. Jose Ruel De Leon, our Vice President, Dr. Marcelito Mendoza, Dr. Roddy Dofitas, my wife and our Nino, and also my mentor, to Dr. Wok Ocampo, also my mentor and PCS Secretary, to our Board of Regents, Dr. Domingo Mongala and Dr. Maria Rica Lumaki, and to the Chairman of Board of Governors, Dr. Benedicto Hoson, and also to the PCS Executive National Secretariat, Dr. Manette, thank you. To our past presidents in attendance, my tatay, Papa, Dr. Dr. Ramon Insok, Dr. Buenafe, sir, maraming salamat. Dr. Rolly Reyes, Dr. Alvin Pasay, Dr. Ed Palacon, Dr. Froilan Tapumos, Dr. Arvin Briones, Dr. Mervin Tan, and Dr. Jazz Andaman. To our PCS subspecialty societies officers are very well represented. For the Urology Association, Southern Tagalog Chapter, Dr. Roderick Reyes. Kindly stand up, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for accepting the invitation. For the President of Southern Tagalog ENT Surgeons, Dr. Ruth Estimar, which unfortunately hindi ko siya makakapunta today. For the Philippine Orthopedic Association, SCC President, Dr. Linda Gatchalian. I think he's hindi po nakapunta. But they are represented by their Assistant Secretary, Dr. Ray Garcia, my batchmate, and also a past President of the PMA Cavite Medical Society. Thank you. Fellow officers, Board of Directors, fellow surgeons, family, and friends. Magandang gabi po. Today marks a momentous occasion as I stand before you, humbled and honored to assume the role of President of the Philippine College of Surgeons, Southern Tagalog Chapter. My heartfelt gratitude to our past presidents. You have exemplified true leadership and excellence. Your valuable contribution and efforts have propelled our chapter forward. And I'm very thankful for the foundation you have laid. I would also like to extend my gratitude to the dedicated past and current chapter officers and board of directors and all the active fellows of the Southern Tagalog Chapter. It is through our collaborative efforts that we have been an outstanding chapter throughout the years. Not to mention our recent Most Outstanding Chapter Award under the leadership of my predecessor, Dr. Jazz Andaman. Congratulations po sa atin. I would also like to appreciate our pharmaceutical and non-pharmaceutical partners for their support, have been invaluable in the success not only in this chapter, but to the whole college as well. May we continue to strengthen our partnership and explore new avenues for collaboration through our present and future innovative projects together. And last but certainly not the least, I would like to thank my family. Can you stand up as your name is called? Starting with my father, Ramon, thank you, Pa.
Kanina pa nakatayo.
Thank you for showing me the values of hard work, humility, dedication, and integrity. You have paved the way for me into becoming the man I am today.
The better Inso.
The better
I
Inso.
am forever grateful for your guidance,
The better Inso.
wisdom, and support that you have given to us. You are truly the best Inso.
Galing bumawi. Galing bumawi.
Better, pero best.
To my mother says,
Ikaw best ya, better. Better
your
than the best.
boundless love, care, and sacrifices have shaped, speaking into the person I am today. Thank you for your unconditional love for me and my siblings. To my siblings who unfortunately cannot make it today, my younger sister Cherie, who is the past president of the Philippine Society of Anesthesiology Southern Tagalog Chapter, also receiving Most Outstanding Chapter Award multiple times, and my younger brother Robbie, a recently inducted member of the Philippine Society of Vascular and Endovascular Surgeons, with their spouses Rolly and Bea respectively. Thank you very much. Your continuous love and support are priceless. And of course, to my beautiful wife, Joanne, life and wife.
Life and
Your unwavering support, patience, understanding, sacrifices, and love, especially during the most challenging times, have been the bedrock to our success. Thank you, Alan. To my wonderful sons, Derek and Garrett, say hi. Thank you for being daddies and mommies stress reliever. Thank you for being daddy's playmates after a busy day. Further improve our surgical education for our residents, graduates of our accredited training institutions, diplomates, associate members, and even fellows through online and face-to-face courses, workshops, and webinars, through our art and science of surgery webinars, research among our training institutions. PCS, we are one. Maraming salamat po.
I pledge myself to abide.
As I said back then, out goes the old, in comes the new. Supposedly in reference to the old insult. But I respectfully tweak that line to saying that lead goes the old and follow comes the new insult. So I would like to congratulate again Dr. Moninso, Marcelo, and the rest of the family. Congratulations, Ronan, congratulations.